Hello and welcome. In this how to draw video, we'll be drawing a
watermelon.
Yes, a super cute watermelon character. All right, so we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Yep, let's go. All right, so we've got our paper here and basically our watermelon. We're going to start off with drawing the top first. So we're going to draw a line along the top and we're going to leave a little gap in there because I want to draw
A bite.
Yes, that's right. Like he's sort of taking a bite out of it. So we'll draw a line about here, and then we'll draw a bite. So it's just a few curves like that. So it looks like someone's taken a big bite, and then we continue the line for a little bit further.
And then you put a big curve all the way there to there.
Yeah, that's right. So we're going to do a big curve. Now this one may be easier if you turn the paper over. It's up to you, but it's basically going to be one big curve or semicircle or letter C. So you can do it like Natasha, just straight like that, or you can do it like me.
And then we're going to put 3 more lines inside because we're going to put one there.
Yeah, that's right. So we're going to do...
There.
Yeah, so this is the shape. So we're going to do a couple more lines inside because you know the watermelon's got the skin, it's got the green part, and then it's got
Light green, then white.
Yeah, and then it goes to red. So we're going to draw 2 more lines on the inside there. So you can follow the shape. Okay, so the first one is about this distance away. Yeah, and then we can draw another line there as well. So the second line is going to be a little bit thinner, like this. Again, I find it easier to turn the page around as you go, which is fine. Yep. So I like to turn the page as we go. Okay, alright, so now that's the shape of the watermelon. Now we're going to draw a face. Now I think for this one, I'm going to draw 2 really big eyes, so it looks super cute. So one eye there, and then we draw another eye there, like that.
I'm going to make it so cute.
Yeah. Now inside that eye, I'm going to add a few highlights. I'm going to draw another couple of circles there. Kind of 3 circles grouped together like that. But it's up to you how you colour the eyes in. And I'll colour those in a little bit later.
And then let's do the mouth.
Yeah, let's do the mouth. So I think we're going to have a big smiley mouth like this with a giant U. And then we just connect the top there with another small curve like that.
I'm doing a different
Yeah, you can do it any way you like. And then we draw another curve like that for his mouth.
And don't forget to color that button.
Yeah, we'll do that shortly. Now the other thing that we're going to add on here is some watermelon seeds. It has little black seeds in there. So we're going to draw a few in there as well. So it's kind of a bit of an oval shape like that. So we can draw a few of those in there.
A lot.
Yeah, so I'll draw 4 up the top. I think I've got some space down here and 4 down the bottom. Okay. And you've got a lot of watermelon seeds. Some watermelons have lots of seeds and some don't. There you go. All right, so there you go. We've finished colouring. We've finished drawing our watermelon colour. The next part is the colouring. And we're back. So we've finished colouring them in. I've finished my watermelon. I've done it the normal traditional colours of a real watermelon, red and the green skin. Yep. And what have you done with yours?
I put a confetti or sprinkles.
That looks awesome. It looks very creative, very colourful. It looks like it's got like sprinkles on it. It's like ready for a party or something. So that's great. So there you go. It's really up to you how you colour it in. If you want to do it like a red watermelon or a very, very colourful watermelon, it's really up to you. And I think they look wonderful. Are you happy with yours?
Yes.
That is great. Alright, so thanks for watching. I hope you followed along and had lots of fun. See you again next time. Bye.
Bye.